एसएसबी में आप सभी जानते हैं कि आपको इस तरीके से कार्ड्स वहाँ पे दिए जाते हैं। एक कार्ड पे आपको 4 टॉपिक गिवन होते हैं। उन 4 टॉपिक में से आप एक टॉपिक प्रिपेयर करेंगे। प्रिपरेशन का टाइम आपको 3 मिनट जो टॉपिक प्रिपेयर करने के लिए मिलेगा और 3 ही मिनट आपको टॉपिक बोलने के लिए मिलेगा। तो यहाँ पर एक कैंडिडेट है हमारे साथ, वो बोल के दिखाएंगे कि किस तरीके से वहाँ पे टॉपिक को ऑर्गेनाइज करना है और कैसे वहाँ पर जो है टॉपिक को बोलना है। यस।
Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to speak on a very important international issue, the Israel-Iran conflict. This issue has been going on for many years and is one of the main reasons for the tension in Middle East region, and it is also very important for shaping India's international policy. For the better clarity of understanding, I have divided the topic into 4 subparts. The first is the introduction part. The second is the conflicts between these two nations. Third, the present scenarios and its repercussions. And fourth, the future solution and India's role. So it's quite hard to imagine that these two nations, who are now constantly at neck with each other, were once very close allies. In fact, Iran was one of the very few nations in 1948 when the Israel first got independence to support the Israel government. But all of it changed after 1979 when the new Islamist regime came into the power due to Islamist revolution. This new Islamist regime didn't support the Israeli support and often referred to it as Little Satan, as a referral to USA's name Big Satan. After this, the both two nations engaged each other with proxy wars, often engaging each other in different tactical locations and attacking each other's military sites and drone warfare as well. But after that, the major serious conflict has been taken place in 2025. That was because of Iran's nuclear ambition. Earlier, Iran has signed the Treaty of NPT, the Non-Proliferation Treaty. Under this treaty, Iran was not supposed to have nuclear enrichment more than what it was required for tactical development. On concluded note, both of these nations are very close to India's. India imports 30% of its oil from Iran and shares its military ties with Israel. So it's very important for India to shape its international relations with both of these countries accordingly. Thank you.